The National Testing Agency has released the CUET PG 2023 application form on its official website cuet.nta.nic.in. Candidates can fill and submit the CUET PG application form till April 19. The application process is completely in online mode, and applicants who wish to take the CUET PG 2023 exam have to visit the official website of NTA. The CUET 2023 exam will be conducted in computer-based mode. In this video, we bring to you the step-by-step process to register, apply and fill the CUET PG 2023 application form. Steps to fill CUET PG 2023 application form. Step 1. CUET PG registration. Applicants need to visit the official website cuet.nta.nic.in. Now, click on the Register for CUET PG 2023 link. Press on the New Registration tab. Now, enter the details such as name, email ID, date of birth and mobile number in the registration form. Applicants will receive a registration ID and a password on their registered mobile number and email ID. Step 2. Filling up application form. Now, the candidates need to log in using their received credentials and start completing the application form. The candidates have to fill in their academic, personal and contact details in the application form. Personal details required in the CUET PG application form 2023. Nationality, Aadhaar number, religion, father's or guardian's profession, employment status, category, gender, father's or guardian's name, father's or guardian's mobile number. Communication details required in CUET PG 2023 application form. Permanent correspondence state, permanent or correspondence city, permanent or correspondence PIN code. Academic details required in CUET PG registration 2023. Matriculation, intermediate college name, matriculation, intermediate percentage of marks, intermediate or matriculation scores, matriculation or intermediate year of passing. Step 3. Exam center selection and program. Candidates need to select universities and programs for entrance test. Candidates can apply for a maximum of 3 programs. Candidates are required to choose the test center of their choice. Candidates cannot change their test center after the submission of application is over. Step 4. Uploading documents. Applicants need to upload a scanned image of their recent colored passport size photograph, a clean signature on a blank white paper. Step 5. Preview CUET application form 2023. After uploading the documents, all applicants must check their filled details in CUET PG application form 2023. Before making payment, applicants are advised to check all the details filled by them. If they want to make any corrections in the filled application form, they can. Step 6. Paying application fee. Enter the amount to be paid as an application fee by the candidates while submitting CUET PG application form. Candidates are required to choose the mode of payment from the given options. Click on the Pay Now option. Aspirants can make the payment through net banking, debit card, credit card or UPI. Click on the Submit option after the fee payment. For more details related to the CUET PG application form, click on the link available in the description box below.